Hi students, suppose if T is the point of intersection of tangents, T is the point of intersection of tangents drawn at the points P and Q with focus S, then ST square is equal to SP into SQ. So this is one property. Okay, if T is the point of intersection of tangents at the points P and Q to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax with focus S. With focus S. Then ST square is equal to SP into SQ. Now we can take the coordinates a t1 square comma 2a t1 and the q coordinates a t2 square comma 2a t2. Focus is a comma 0. Now what is the point of intersection of tangents at the points? So this is a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. That is the point of intersection of tangents. Now SP, what is SP? Is called focal distance. Focal distance formula is mod of x1 plus a. That is the focal distance. Focal distance is, the formula is x1 plus a. That is equal to a t1 square plus a. If take a is taken common, 1 plus t1 square. Similarly, SQ is equal to SQ. So this is a into 1 plus t2 square. Now ST square is equal to, S is the focus, T is the point of intersection. So this is a minus a t1 t2 whole square plus, so this is so this is a square into t1 plus t2 whole square. So this is equal, from this you can take a common, that becomes a square. There also a square is taken common. So this is a square of 1 minus t1 t2 whole square plus t1 plus t2 whole square. So by expanding, this is a square into 1 plus t1 square t2 square minus 2 t1 t2 plus t1 square plus t2 square plus 2 t1 t2, t1 and t2. So these two gets cancelled. That is a square into 1 plus, write this, t1 square plus t2 square plus t1 square t2 square. Now these two here, that is a square into 1 common 1 plus t1 square, and these two you take t2 square common. So that is a plus t2 square into 1 plus t1 square. So this is a square into 1 plus t1 square into 1 plus t2 square. That is equal to a into, so this is a into 1 plus t1 square into a into 1 plus t2 square. So this is SP equal to a into 1 plus t1 square, and this is SQ, where SQ is SP into SQ. So that is ST square is equal to, that means SP comma ST and SQ are in geometric progression. So this is one property. Next one, next property, if P is a point on the parabola y square is equal to 4x with focus S, the tangent and normal at the point P, cuts the axis of parabola at T and G, respectively. Then ST is equal to SG is equal to SP. ST is equal to SG is equal to SP. P is a point. The tangent at the point P cuts the parabola in T, and the normal at the point P cuts the parabola in G, where S is focus. Then the property is ST is equal to SG is equal to SP. ST equal to SG equal to SP. Now the coordinates of P, AT square comma 2AT. Tangent at the point P. What is the equation of tangent? YT minus x minus AT square equal to 0. The tangent at the point P cuts the axis in T. That means what? Axis means axis of parabola means for x-axis. There put y is equal to 0. Then this becomes minus x minus AT square equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus AT square. Therefore, T coordinates minus AT square comma 0. And the normal equation at the point T is normal y plus xt is equal to 2AT plus ATQ. Normal. The normal meets x-axis, implies y is equal to 0. Normal meets y-axis. The normal meets x-axis in G. That means there also put y equal to 0. So this becomes xt is equal to 2AT plus ATQ. Therefore x is equal to 2A plus AT square. Therefore coordinates of G coordinates 2A plus AT square comma 0. Focus is A comma 0. Now we are having all the coordinates. So this is tangent equation, this is normal equation, this is focus. The tangent cuts x-axis at the point T. Therefore put y equal to 0. So x coordinates of T, S, and also coordinates of G. Now SP is equal to same as the formula x1 plus a, that is at1 square at square plus a into 1 plus t square. Next to SG is equal to, SG means what? Distance between these two, 2a plus at square minus a, that is a plus at square, a into 1 plus t square. Next to ST is equal to, so a plus at square, this is a plus at square, a into 1 plus t square. Therefore that implies ST is equal to SG is equal to SP. Next one, if the point P minus 3 comma 2 is one end of the focal chord of the parabola y square plus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0, then the slope of normal at the point Q, then the slope of normal at the point Q is. So parabola, majority of the problems are completely depends on the properties. P is one end of the focal chord of parabola. The point P is given minus 3 comma 2, not minus 2, minus 3 comma 2. One end of the focal chord of the parabola. Now the slope of normal at the point Q. We have a property. The tangent at one end of the focal chord of parabola. The tangent at one end of the focal chord of parabola is parallel to the normal at the other end. Parallel to the normal, if it is a focal chord. Parallel to the normal at the other end. That means what? We have to find the slope of tangent, which is parallel to this normal at the other end. It is enough to find the slope of normal at the point P to this parabola. That is parallel to this one. Therefore, slopes are equal. Now, 2y square plus 4y plus 4x is equal to 0. Now differentiating 2y y dash plus 4 into y dash plus 4 equal to 0. That is y dash plus 2y dash plus 2 equal to 0. If you take y dash is taken common, y plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Y dash is equal to minus 2 by y plus 2. Now slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx at the point. The point is minus 3 comma 2. Therefore, that is equal to minus 2 by 2 plus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Now, the slope of tangent at one end is parallel to the normal at the other end. Implies slope of normal normal at the point Q is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next one, two parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x minus p1 and x square is equal to 4a into y minus p2 always touches each other. Always touches each other. Where p1 comma p2 are some parameters, then their point of contact lies on. Then their point of contact lies on. First option, circle, hyperbola, that is a parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Two parabolas always touches each other where p1 comma p2 are parameters, then their point of contact lies on. See, first one, y square is equal to 4a into x minus p1. Vertex of parabola is p1 comma 0. So this is point is p1 comma 0. First one is parabola is like this. Second one parabola 0 comma p2. So this is, these two touches each other. Then their point of contact. Let the point is x1 comma y1. So this is the tangent, common tangent. Now for the parabola first one, y square, that means y square minus 4ax plus 4AP1 equal to 0, first parabola. Now at the point x1 y1, equation of tangent is s1 equal to 0. Now this is called s. So equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1 is s1 equal to 0. s1 means what? y1. Okay, just like a circles, xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Same as there is no x square term, so that is 0. y1 g into what is the minus 2a into x plus x1 f into y plus y1, there is no y term, plus c 4a p1 equal to 0. So this is xx1 plus yy1 g into x plus x1 f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. There is no y term, so f is 0. So this is y1 minus 2ax minus 2ax1 plus 4a p1 equal to 0. Or this right, minus is taken common, 2ax minus this is y1 y plus 2ax1 minus 4a p1 equal to 0. So it's the first one, just like ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Now same as for this parabola, you can call it s dash equal to 0. And what about s dash equal to second parabola? x square minus 4ay plus 4a p2 equal to 0. Now at the point x1 by 1, equation of tangent is s1 equal to 0. So equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1 is s1 dash equal to 0. So that is xx1. Y by 1, there is no y square, there is no g, minus 2a into y plus y1 plus 4a p2 is equal to 0. That is equal to, that is x1 x minus 2a y, next minus 2a y1 minus 2a y1 plus 4a p2 is equal to 0. So this is second equation. Now first one is a tangent, second one is also a tangent. So both 1 and 2 represents the same line. Here 1 and 2 are same, represents same line. Now you are comparing their coefficients. Here x coefficient is x1, by it is 2a is equal to here y coefficient minus 2a by here y coefficient is minus y1. So minus minus cancel, cross multiplication, x1 y1 equal to 4a square. Therefore the locus is xy is equal to 4a square. This is called a rectangular hyperbola. This is rectangular hyperbola. So option is hyperbola. So that is called in general. So indeed that is, this is called rectangular hyperbola. A rectangular hyperbola standard form is xy is equal to c square. So this is a rectangular hyperbola. So fourth option is correct. Next one, the focus and directrix and the length of lattice rectum of the parabola 25 into x square plus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 3y plus 1 whole square is. Focus directrix means equation of directrix and the length of lateral rectum of the parabola. It is 25 into x square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3y plus 1 whole square. So this is x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3y plus 1 whole square by 25. So this you write 4x minus 3y plus 1 by this is root of 16 plus 9 whole square. 16 plus whole square is, that it becomes 25. If you take the root, so this is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square root of is equal to mod of, this is 4x minus 3y plus 1 by, this is 5 by 5. So this is root of 25. So 25 is what? That is equal to, by taking this square root, so that is equal to 5. This is just like SP is equal to PM form. Okay, or the right, this is root of 16 plus 9. So this is SP is equal to PM is of the form SP is equal to PM. Where S is focus, what is focus? 1, 0. S is 1, 0. That means like this. So this point, this is 1, 0. This point is P, x, y, and this is some directrix. So directrix is this 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. SP is equal to, yes, this is focus, P is a point, and this is M. SP equal to PM, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square root of length of the perpendicular from the point P to the directrix. This is of the form SP equal to PM form, where S is focus, 1, 0, and this is what? Directrix. And the directrix is, this is 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So we are having focus and also directrix. And the length of the perpendicular, that means what? Next one is length of latus rectum. How to find the length of latus rectum? Length of latus rectum, already we discussed about this, how to find the length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 2 times of length of the perpendicular, length of latus rectum is equal to 2 times of length of the perpendicular from focus, focus is 1, 0, to the directrix. So in the beginning classes only we have done some problems on this one. Length of latus rectum, 2 times of length of the perpendicular from focus to the directrix. That is equal to 2 times of, now length of the perpendicular. For directrix is given what? 4x, right? This is 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So ax1, by1 0 plus c by root of a square plus b square, 2 into this is 5 by 5, that is 2. So length of latus rectum is 2. Next one, if two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, and one of them touches the parabola, y square equal to 4a into x plus a, and the other touches the parabola, x square is equal to 4b into y plus other touches the parabola, y square is equal to, so this is y square is equal to 4b into x plus b. Then the locus of point of intersection point of intersection of lines is here. Two lines are perpendicular to each other, one of them touches the parabola and the other touches the second parabola. Then the locus of their point of intersection lies on point of intersection of the lines is. That means the locus of point of intersection of lines is. See, first one is y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Now the equation of tangent to this parabola in slope form. Equation of parabola, this is one parabola in slope form, and for this parabola in slope form is y is equal to m into x plus a by m. So this is the treat as x, y square equal to 4ax, y equal to mx plus a by m, where x means what? Treat as capital X. So this is capital X, y equal to mx plus a by m. Now this is the first equation. And next one, equation of this is equation of tangent. Now second one, equation of tangent to the parabola second one, y square is equal to 4b into x plus b and perpendicular to 1. So this is equation of tangent to this parabola in slope form. Now the equation of tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4b into x plus b and d is perpendicular to 1. Now in general, what is equation of tangent for this one? Y equal to same as above, m into x plus b by m. But the two tangents are perpendicular, means if the slope of this m, slope of other line is minus 1 by m. So y equal to m means what? Minus 1 by m into x plus b by m is minus 1 by m. In general, y equal to m into x plus b by m, but this and these are perpendicular. slope of this line is m, slope of this tangent is minus 1 by m. That is equal to y is equal to minus 1 by m. If you are multiplying this, minus x by m minus b by m minus bm. So this is second one. From these two, eliminating m, that is the locus. So again I write first one. So first one is y is equal to mx plus am plus a by m, and second one y is equal to minus x by m, next to minus bm, next to minus b by m. Now by subtracting these two, y minus 1, this is 0 equal to, here x is taking common, so this is m plus 1 by m, next plus m is taking common, a plus b, there also 1 by m is taking common, plus 1 by m is taking common, a plus b. Okay. Or I can write by subtracting these two. So by subtracting these two, y gets cancelled, that is 0 is equal to mx minus of minus plus x by m, x is taking common, m plus 1 by m, plus am plus bm, m is taking common, a plus b, plus a by m plus b by m, 1 by m is taking common, a plus b. So that is x into m plus 1 by m, plus a plus b is taking common, m plus 1 by m. Now m plus 1 by m common, into x plus a plus b is equal to 0. So since m plus 1 by m not 0, therefore implies, so this is x plus a plus b equal to 0. This is the locus of point of intersection of two tangents which are perpendicular to each other. Next one, if the normal subtends a right angle, if the normal subtends a right angle at the focus of parabola at the at the focus of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Then its length is normal. The normal at the point P, at square comma 2at, subtends a right angle at its focus. 90 degrees. Then what is t is equal to 2. The normal subtends right angle at its vertex, t is equal to root 2. Now the coordinates are, let it be a t1 square comma 2a t1. The normal at the point T subtends a right angle at its vertex focus, t value is 2. Therefore coordinates of P, at square comma 2at, where t is 2. Therefore that is a into 2 square comma 2a into 2, that is 4a comma 4a. These are the coordinates of P. And next one, the normal at the point T1 cuts the parabola again at the point T2. Then what is T2 equal to? Minus T1 minus 2 by T1. You know this property also. Now at the point T cuts the parabola at the point T1. So T1 is equal to minus T minus 2 by T, where T is equal to 2. Therefore that is minus 2 minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore coordinates of Q, so this is T1 equal to are a T1 square comma 2a T1, that is a, where T1 is minus 3. So this is 9a comma, so this minus 6a. So these are the coordinates of Q. Therefore length of the chord PQ equal to, PQ means distance between these 2 points, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 25a square plus 100a square, that equal to 125a square root of, that is equal to 5 root 5a. So this is the length of the chord PQ. So all these points are depends on completely based on the concepts only. So once you refer all these concepts and some problems are there, you have to solve it in our material. Thank you.